it's 111, which it was the last time. But I was told there can be a 20-point difference either up or down on these meters, because a lot of them are really not that accurate. Dr. Bernstein is the doctor that we follow for advice. He's on YouTube, and he also has a book. But he recommends the Freestyle meter, which is, I had that originally, but the strips were just too expensive, and my doctor said the insurance only pays for one strip a day, so I like to take my blood sugars more than that. So I got the Relion from Walmart, which I think is $20 to purchase the meter and like $9 for refill strips of 25. So anyways, let's go on to the recipe. It's cream cheese pumpkin bread, up to 24 slices and 2 carbs. And I will show you it. It kind of fell down. It didn't raise very much, but it's very good. It's very moist, and the cream cheese is in the middle. I would recommend next time baking it in 2 small pans instead of 1 large. So we've got the 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup stevia, 1/4 cup erythritol. She recommends, you see it in the recipe, they recommend that you can grind that into a powder by using your blender. Normally the granular, I use the granular, but sometimes it doesn't mix as well with the batter and you get kind of a grainy taste. So next is 1 tablespoon coconut flour, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon lemon extract. I like lemon in a lot of things because it just adds a little bit of zest flavor. Alright, and 1 2/3 cup almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. I normally use almond meal because it's cheaper, but it's not as finely ground as the flour. Okay, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons pumpkin spices. Now in the recipe you'll see that they have it divided into cloves, pumpkin spice, and cinnamon, but I just use the pumpkin spice because that has those other spices included in it. 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup coconut oil, and then 5 eggs. And 3/4 cup erythritol powder, 3/4 cup or 3/4 teaspoon stevia powder. I don't know why they list the cream cheese first, because that should be really towards the bottom when you make your cream cheese filling. So next time I wanted to go through this list of common supplies required for low carb. I printed it out and it's quite long, so I thought I would do that in my next video so that this video isn't that long. I'll go through the list with you, and then you can go to the blog. See, there it is, Generosities of the HeartBlogspot.com. You can print this out and keep it in your purse, in your car, on your refrigerator, wherever you need it to be handy. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and let me see, I better write it. 111. I noticed with the Freestyle, which is a better meter, more accurate, my numbers are always lower. And like with the Relion, I get up and down numbers. In fact, sometimes I'll take it like twice in a row, like a minute after, and it'll be like higher or lower than the original one. So that's the way it goes. But if you want more strips, I guess you gotta take the Relion unless you're willing to pay an arm and a leg for these strips. So thanks for watching. Hoping these videos are helpful. Subscribe and share. Please share on your Facebook page. And I will see you next time with that long list of low-carb supplies so you can throw away all the bad food in your cabinet and refrigerator. Take care. Bye.